Uh-oh. Can you go get it and put it in the hoop? Ouch.
I want to soccer ball. I want to follow that. Yeah.
Hi, bud.
I'm going to steal them.
Yeah, that's kind of what I think some days too, buddy.
Steal them.
It's not very nice, buddy.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's not nice. It's sad.
But I want to steal.
Why would you want to steal from your baby brother?
I want to launch them.
You want to launch them?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Hey.
Careful, Benz.
No.
Ethan?
My balls I steal. See? I have to launch them. I need this.
Oh.